Hemis National Park is located in which state? Option C. Ladakh. Bandipur Tiger Reserve and National Park is located in which state? Option B. Karnataka. Sundarban National Park is located in which state? Option D. West Bengal. Jim Corbett National Park is located in which state? Option A. Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi National Park is located in which state? Option B. Uttarakhand. Name the first national park of India. Option A. Jim Corbett. The Silent Valley National Park is located in which district of Kerala? Option D. Palakkad. Satpura National Park is located in? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. The largest national park of India is? Option D. Hemis National Park. The Sariska Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Option B. Rajasthan. Rajbari National Park is located in which state? Option A. Tripura. Guru Ghasidas National Park is in which state? Option C. Chhattisgarh. Salim Ali National Park is located in? Option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Which national park in India contains the largest marshland in the world? Option C. Sundarban National Park. Where is Sultanpur National Park located? Option C. Haryana. Where is Murlen National Park located? Option C. Mizoram. Where is Kangar Valley National Park located? Option B. Chhattisgarh. Which of the following national park is the natural habitat of Kashmiri stag? Option C. Dachigam National Park. Where is Dachigam National Park located? Option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Papikonda National Park located? Option D. Andhra Pradesh. Where is Kudremukh National Park located? Option D, Karnataka. Where is Mount Harriet National Park located? Option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Kanha National Park is located in which state? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which state has the highest number of national park in India? Option D, Madhya Pradesh. The smallest national park of India is? Option C, South Button National Park. Gulf of Kutch National Park is located in which state of India? Option C, Gujarat. Where is Mukundra Hills National Park located? Option D, Rajasthan. Dudhwa National Park is located in which state of India? Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the first bioreserve established in India? Option A, Nilgiri. The Mudumalai National Park is located in which state? Option C, Tamil Nadu. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is situated in? Option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Pench National Park is located in which state? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. The total number of national parks in India is? Option C, 104. Betla National Park is located in which state? Option C, Jharkhand. Where is Gugamal National Park situated? Option B, Maharashtra. Which of the following places is known for saltwater crocodiles? Option C, Bhitarkanika. Where is Guindi National Park situated? Option B, Tamil Nadu. The Ranthambore National Park is located at? Option B, Rajasthan. Which national park in India is famous as it is the last refuge of the endangered Asiatic lion? Option B, Gir National Park. Where is Kumbhalgarh National Park situated? Option B, Rajasthan. Where is Desert National Park situated? Option A, Rajasthan. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in which place? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Gir National Park is located in which place? Option C, Gujarat. Where is Simlipal National Park located? Option D, Odisha. Where is Kaziranga National Park located? Option C, Assam. Where is Bhitarkanika National Park located? Option B, Odisha. The common tree species in Nilgiri Hills is? Option A, Eucalyptus. Where is Valmiki National Park located? Option B, Bihar. Where is Kistawar National Park located? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following states do not have tiger reserves in India? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Where is Pin Valley National Park situated? Option A, Himachal Pradesh. Where is Vansada National Park located? Option A, Gujarat. Where is Tadoba National Park located? Option D, Maharashtra. Where is Balpakram National Park located? Option A, Meghalaya. Chandoli National Park is located in which state of India? Option C, Maharashtra. Where is Bannerghatta National Park located? Option D, Karnataka. Where is Dibru Saikhowa National Park located? Option B, Assam. Where is Kanchenjunga National Park located? Option A, Sikkim. Where is Singalila National Park located? Option A, West Bengal. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park is located in which state of India? Option B, Telangana. Khir Ganga National Park is located in which state of India? Option C, Himachal Pradesh. Where is Gorumara National Park located? Option B, West Bengal. Panna National Park is located in which place? Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where is Keoladio National Park located? Option D, Rajasthan. Where is Namdapha National Park located? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Manas National Park is located in which state? Option B, Assam. Where is Nagarhole National Park located? Option A, Karnataka. Periyar National Park is located in which state? Option B, Kerala. Where is Buxa National Park? Option A, West Bengal. Which national park is unique in being a swamp with floating vegetation that supports a rich biodiversity? Option B, Kebul Lamjao National Park. Where is Neora Valley National Park situated? Option A, West Bengal. Where is Sri Venkateshwara National Park located? Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Where is Jaldapara National Park situated? Option B, West Bengal. Where is Kebul Lamjao National Park located? Option B, Manipur. Where is Valley of Flowers National Park situated? Option A, Uttarakhand. Where is Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park located? Option D, Tamil Nadu. Where is Great Himalayan National Park situated? Option C, Himachal Pradesh. Where is Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park located? Option D, Telangana. Where is Borivali National Park situated? Option B, Maharashtra. Where is Navegaon National Park located? Option B, Maharashtra. Where is Anamudi Shola National Park located? Option A, Kerala. Where is Mathiketan Shola National Park located? Option B, Kerala. Where is Pampadam Shola National Park located? Option C, Kerala. Where is Sirohi National Park located? Option A, Manipur. Where is Phongpui National Park situated? Option A, Mizoram. Where is Nokrek National Park located? Option B, Meghalaya. Where is Iravikulam National Park located? Option A, Kerala. Where is Anshi National Park located? Option A, Karnataka. Where is Kalesar National Park situated? Option A, Haryana. Where is Blackbuck National Park located? Option A, Gujarat. Where is Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Molem National Park situated? Option A, Goa. Where is Orang National Park located? Option B, Assam. Where is Nameri National Park located? Option D, Assam. Where is Saddle Peak National Park located? Option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where is Rani Jhansi Marine National Park located? Option A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where is Govind Pashu Vihar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary situated? Option A, Uttarakhand. Where is Gangotri National Park located? Option B, Uttarakhand. Where is Campbell Bay National Park situated? Option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where is Mouling National Park located? Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Where is South Button National Park situated? Option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more informative GK questions. If you want videos on specific topic, please comment in the comment section.